Today, our topic is electron affinity in periodic trends in properties in periodic classification of elements, Unit 8, Chapter 8. Already we have discussed the ionic radii, atomic radius and ionization energy, and today we are going to see the electron affinity. So, electron affinity. Electron affinity is the amount of energy released when an isolated gaseous atom gains an electrons to form its anion. So, electron affinity means how much energy is released during an atom gains the electron. Why the atom gains the electron? To form the anion. So, electron affinity means the energy is released. How much energy is released during the gain of electrons in the gaseous atom to form anion. And it is also measured in kilojoules per molecule and represented by the following equation. So, it is measured in kilojoules per mole, and you can see for better understanding they had given an equation. The first equation is atom. A means atom and G refers the gaseous state. That is gaseous atom plus the E. E minus means electron gives, here it is positive, the A is positive. Now the electrons are joined with the gaseous atom and you can see this minus symbol here. So it becomes anion. So atom gaseous plus energy is released. So with the help of chlorine gas. So chlorine plus electrons are added and forms chlorine minus. During that energy is released. So electron affinity means what? Adding of electrons to the gaseous atom. During that time the energy is released and the anion is formed. Like ionization energy, the electron affinity also increases from left to right in a period and decreases from top to bottom in a group. So, ionization energy, it increases from left to right. So, ionization energy increases from left to right. Whereas in group, it decreases from top to bottom. From top to bottom, you can see the arrow mark also, no? From top to bottom, it decreases in the group. Okay. More to know. The noble gas shows no tendency to accept the electrons because the outer s and p orbitals of noble gases are completely filled. So they are completely filled. As I talk about the noble gas in ionic and ionization energy, they are completely filled. The noble gases, that is the 18th group. So there is no more electrons can be added. So no more electrons can be added to them, and hence their electron affinities are 0 in the noble gas. So this they may ask in 1 mark. So the electron affinity in noble gas is 0 because there is no addition of electrons. So hope you understood. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.